Good morning and welcome, everyone. I feel privileged and honored to have been invited to be in front of you today. There's a lot of experience in the room, run through scenarios that you may have encountered that where you think this technology may have been useful.
We advocate alternative ballistics because it would be a good thing for my deputies here in Jackson County. In this day and age, non-lethal is always the better way.
So the firearm converts to its less lethal once the docking system goes on the gun, just like that. Officers don't have to feel like they need to take someone's life at that moment. When they place the docking system on top of their firearm, they're making a conscious effort to de-escalate the situation at that point. No other less lethal option allows that.
Our comprehensive training program begins in the classroom with several hours of general information sharing, as well as practical application in the form of manipulation of the technology with training firearms.
Gun down range, you're gonna verbalize, I'm gonna use less lethal. That way you let your partners know, hey, I'm gonna utilize less lethal if you have a partner next to you, right? Retrieve the alternative, put it on, and punch it back out. Simple, right?
The officers and or deputies, they realize how basic the maneuvers are. It's not overly complicated. After a few manipulations, they become very comfortable with.
Sheriff's office, drop the weapon.
Show me your hands, show me your hands. Drop the knife, drop the gun. Partner, I'm going less lethal.
Less lethal, less lethal.
Less lethal, less lethal.
Some officers were initially skeptical about the alternative's practicality, but after participating in training and seeing the alternative's effectiveness, they recognize how this technology can reduce lethal confrontations.
I can definitely see where we can use that in law enforcement in certain situations, especially with today's policing. We're still trying to preserve life with the alternative.
Obviously, there are other non-lethal items out there on the market, but nothing like this. Like I said, this is it's a good product.
For lethal force situations, this is what we do need, and it works.
You have the chance to be able to disable somebody without causing substantial damage to them or death with this product.
Less lethal.
The end goal is to save lives, and alternative ballistics can be part of the process in helping your department accomplish those goals.